Kentucky has a rich history of successful women who have become pillars of their communities. And this is the story of Shirley Mae Beard, who uses her mastery of authentic Southern cooking to nourish hearts and minds in Louisville.
When I was coming up, my mom and dad, they had this farm. And my mother took me inside. And she would dress me up like I'm going to church. And she would set me on that stool. I had to sit there all day, watch her cook. I was always in the kitchen. My mother and I started out 30-something years ago. Haven't changed a thing. Everything I cook is fresh. And that's the way it should be. I do not believe in preservative. I want you to taste the food. You don't have to have all those spices lined up to the ceiling and all that. I want you to taste what you're eating. The home-cooked meals. The fresh green, picking the green beans and peeling the potatoes, and shucking the corn, and cutting it off the cob, and doing the chicken and dumplings, the old dishes that, your grandparents probably remember. And I think once people come here and experience eating here, they see for themselves. The last celebrities that we had was the Whoopi Goldberg and Morgan Freeman, the B.B. King before he died. And oh man, we just partied down. I just love it. I just love watching the people enjoy the food.
Just as celebrated as Shirley Mae's genuine Southern cuisine, her belief in giving back.
Smoketown is the oldest Black community in Louisville. It was factories here. That's what the smokestacks were. When you come to this area, first thing you see was smoke. Muhammad Ali trained down the street. They got his gloves out there. And it was always a nice, loving community. Everybody was family like everything. We have a lot of guys that live around here that are single. And when I started feeding the people free for once a week, I fried the chicken, do the pinto beans, and hot water cornbread. I did all that free. And they would, jam in. It's beautiful to see the family atmosphere. On Martin Luther King Day, I fed everybody free. It's just great. It's a great feeling. You're doing it because it needs to be done and you want to help. There were Black jockeys. The Derby Museum, I'm very proud of that. Nobody never mentioned Black jockeys. They started the racing at the Churchill Downs back in the 1800s. They were kids, 11, 12, 14 years old. I felt so motivated. The future kids that see this could feel proud. The Black kids of Kentucky. We had essays for the kids, and carnival for the kids. So we decided we just do everything around the kids so they could have a party. They named the race that was ran after a Black jockey. Was very, very pleased to see that. It's a good feeling to be part of this city.
This is yet one more extraordinary story that can only be experienced in Kentucky.
Every human being is precious. They are precious and they deserve the best. So I'm gonna keep on loving and cooking as long as I can pick up a spoon.